I'm in the bird park in Kuala Lumpur. I first thought, okay, $30, it seems a little too much. Like, you know, the one in Okinawa was like $10, $15. But this is, no, this makes sense why it's $30. It's very impressive. I think it's the world's largest free range bird. I think it's aviary. So you can have all these birds around you. I think there's feeding times, but it's in specific times of the day. But like, look at this. Like, I mean, I took a lot more pictures and videos, but got all these different types of birds and species around. Very calm. Look at this guy. Oh well, I wasn't supposed to capture that. But yeah, like I was going to say before that happened, I'll try to spend most of the day here since there doesn't seem to be any time limits to how long I can stay. I want to get my money's worth. I want to try to see how much I can do, feed the birds. I think I can feed like hornbills and ostriches as well. But this is a big place, and like it's impressive. I am very impressed by how they can get all these different species to be so calm in this environment. And like it blows the one in Okinawa like out of the park. It makes sense why this is one of the crown sightseeing attractions. Look at these guys. Are you gonna move out of the way? Are you gonna move out of the way? Oh, there we go. Oh. I just felt the feathers of that peacock just now when he just turned around. Look at you. Look at this here. Oh, I can't zoom in. Gotta get a little closer. Yeah, this is amazing. Sorry for the sun that goes in my eye, but yeah, no, this is awesome. Forgot there are also more monkeys here. Oh my god, they're everywhere on this tree. Hello. Look at that. Oh my god. And they are everywhere. Playing with his tail. Oh, I see a baby monkey over there. This one. Oh, I heard something over there. This guy. Whoa. Being the ostriches now. Oh, these. Oh. Ooh, geez, you guys are strong. Oh. Ooh.